Hello again, I've just arrived on the beach. It's a beautiful day today, the weather is nice, hot, there's a slight wind. That's the first time that I see waves. It's usually very calm. But it's very beautiful.
Surprise, you finally showed your face, turned our tiny coastal day into a golden place on the shore.
Okay, so now I'm walking back home from the bridge, from the beach.
Little town, big shining sky. Türkiye under the sun. Türkiye under the sun.
There are a lot of little coffee shops, coffee gardens along the side. Boatyard.
Woke up late, pulled up the shade, thought it'd hide again today, but it popped right over the red roofs like merhaba, I missed you too. Little town smelling like fresh bread, seagulls arguing overhead, flip-flop slap on the cobblestone, everybody rushing out of home. Oh, Sunday sun surprise, you finally showed your face, turned our tiny coastal day into a golden place on the shore, and through the streets you light us as we run, picnics, waves, and tangled feet in Türkiye under the sun. In Türkiye under the sun. Walk the beach, sand in my shoes, winds painting ripples in every blue. Kids chase foam like it might escape. Kites lean hard, but they still hold shade. Grandma's laughing under a hat. Pouring tea.
Here's the park right next to our house. People up. There's hundreds of people here having a picnic or whatever.
Sunday sun surprise.